Hey guys, I've been kind of neglecting doing videos on this uh, square body Chevy, but as you can see, I got her colors back on it. Um, I'm wet sanding right now to buff it. Got the hood over here. It's just going to be easier to buff it off the truck, but got everything. New cab mounts on it. Oh, sorry about my finger. Three new cab mounts on this thing. So now our bed and tailgate, or bed and the cab are lined up better. Um, Body work's all done. It's painted. Like I said, just got to do a cut and buff. Got a little orange peel I'm trying to get out, make it look clean. Got to put the this passenger door and fender are both new. We had a little trouble getting them lined up. We got that going, so I got to put the guts in this door yet out of the old door. Get the latch and everything on there so she shuts. But a little cut and buff and some reassembly. I am doing a Scorpion spray and bed liner. This was my jig that I put together to lift the bed off the truck. I've got a hoist here in the shop, so I just was able to, instead of buying a jig, I had some scrap lumber laying around. So got this 2x6 centerpiece, a couple 2x6s going crossways, the width of the bed, and then I put these 2x4s on so that they would go up under under the bed rail to lift it, and just use some ratchet straps to lift it off. Worked perfect. So lifted it off, put it back on, and I just used kind of working on a budget here. So I had these couple sawhorses, put some 2x4s and casters on the bottom. Excuse the mess. I got too many projects in the shop. Uh, Casters on the bottom, and that was my bed cart. It worked just fine. I couldn't crawl up in it because it's not quite sturdy enough to get inside the with the bed on the cart, but worked good. Um, just a mock-up frame so I can mock up parts when I'm painting them. But yeah, it worked real good. Like I said, this lifted off great using the hoist, so we're able to lift the bed up, back the truck back under the bed, and then get it adjusted and set down. Didn't break anybody's backs, and everything went on really smoothly. So we got all the bed bolts back in, and this bed I actually patched. We had some patches in here on both sides where we had rust, so that's all been replaced. And like I said, we're getting a bed liner. I didn't do too much to the bed rail caps because the owner's he told me not to worry about them. He's putting on some diamond plate caps on the bed rails. So I didn't waste time uh, getting them all smoothed out because they're going to be covered up. So, but we're going to have the spray and bed liner. It'll go up over that uh, front roll on the front of the bed there, and I'm going to return it back around right into this corner. So this will all be covered, and I'm going to go ahead and cover this back section with bed liner too, just kind of clean everything up. So, but I think she's going to come out pretty good. Sent owner pictures the other day. Just a lot of cut and buff, and it's going to take a little bit to get everything put back together. But I'll finally have this thing out of here this week. We do have a new windshield coming as well. So I got to get a hold of those guys and get that in here probably later this week or first of next, and then I can get this thing out of here. The biggest problem I'm having right now, since this truck's been here, it's running really rough. Um, I got that lid off the breather because I had to actually prime it to get it to start every time I've tried to start it. So, and it doesn't want to stay running. It'll idle. You put it in gear, and it kind of bogs down a little bit, but you try to give it any gas when it's in gear, and it'll just die. So it just falls on its face. So I don't know, carburetor issues or something. I'm not sure. I'm not a carburetor guy, so I'll have to get that figured out. But anyway, that's the progress. That's what we're looking like. When I get her all buffed out and put together, we'll take it out in the sun and we'll do a little walk around of it. Have a good one.